Introduction to Polynomials and Factoring.
Polynomial, a monomial, or the sum or difference of two or more monomials.
Hey Victor the Ninja, I was just looking over the blueprints for my new house.
Wow, man, that's pretty cool. You know, it's pretty tough for architects nowadays because there's so many restraints.
That's true. When I was watching him go over it with my parents, he said something about our houses having to be a certain amount of feet away from the zero lot line. He also said that the front of our houses will have to be 115 feet and that the dimensions of the lot are 125 feet by 80 feet. The architects probably have to use polynomials to figure out the unknown variables such as the length of the size of the house.
They would create an equation using information they already have, then they would graph the equation and find the maximum y value. Another thing I noticed is that you're putting in an archway to connect your kitchen and living room. Can you believe that arches date back to 4,000 years ago in ancient Mesopotamia?
And in current times, use exact polynomial equations to graph the points of a parabolic curve or arc so we can have a basic idea of the arc's layout before its construction.
You know, my mom wants to put in a garden as well. She only has a certain amount of fencing though, and she wants to know the best dimensions that will give her the largest area for her tomato plants.
What she could do is create an equation using the parameters and factor it out, and solve to find the desired answer.
So we can use the monomial w to represent the width and the binomial w plus 5 to represent the length. Since the perimeter is twice the width and twice the length, and Amanda's mom only has 30 feet of fencing, we can form the equation 30 equals 2 times w plus 2 times parentheses w plus 5 close parentheses to find the perimeter. We then distribute the 2 into our length equation to get 30 equals 2w plus 2w plus 10. Then we simplify. So we add 5 back into our original equations to get an answer of 5 feet for the width and 10 feet for the length.
Wow, I never realized how much math was involved with the construction of my new house. The architects must have to be mathematicians.
Not exactly. They just have to know the basic rules of math, such as polynomials and factoring, and where to use them properly. That's all.
Who knows, Victor the Ninja? Maybe one day you'll get out of the ninja business and become an architect.